Hey traders, that is a wrap for the week of the stocky market. Let me just give you a bit of an update across the markets. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, see that trading course right there in front of you? Go get it. There's about 5-6 hours worth of content there, guys. And I promise you, this is the only trading course you'll ever need, and it's free. So let's actually start off with the good old gold market here. Bit of an update across all the markets. Bit of a gold market. Here's the big thing I'm noticing with gold right now is there's a massive shift going on with gold right now. And this is such a herd mentality, right, that I'm seeing here. So over the last sort of maybe week or so, I've been saying, get ready for a pullback with gold. Now, no one knows the exact day it's going to pull back, right? It's like, I think some of you guys in the chat box, you're looking for the certainties. I'm looking for a certainty. How's that certainty working out for you? You want a certainty? Fine. You want some security? Fine. Go in the corner. Here's a blankie and a little dummy. All right. And I'll go get your bot. I'm going to heat it up for you. And then you're going to be nice and safe and secure in the corner. All right. Nothing's going to happen to you ever. You're going to be bloody bored out of your mind. Right. The purpose of me saying that, guys, is like, everything involves risk, right? So there's this thing called the stock market probability, right? So looking at this gold, the reason why I bring that up with gold is because I've been saying, and we know how markets work in the back of our mind, but because so many people are focused on what's happening right now, we know that even if we do go for a big move up, we get pullbacks, right? Look at this here. Big move up, pullback, big move up, pullback, big move up, pullback, big move up, pullback. Right? So look what's happening now. We're starting to go through what? A really big move up. Guess what's coming soon? We're going to get a pullback soon. And a lot of traders says, oh, well, John, you said the market's going to pull back and it went up. Maybe it's not going to pull back. It's like, are you serious now? Yeah, and then my reply to that particular person was, yeah, that's because the stock market just goes straight up, right? Just straight up and it just never, ever pulls back. Like, come on now. Okay, let's actually be sensible here about what markets are and how they work and how you can anticipate. Being smart is about anticipating what's coming. Meaning, we know when markets do this overall. So if the market's been doing this, guess what? Then guess what? We know we're getting towards the end. We never know the end of that move up to get the pullback, and then away we go again, and then we get a pullback. See, where most traders go wrong is they wait for here. It's like, oh, gold is going to the moon, let's jump on. And then what does gold do? Gold does that on you. You're like, oh, the market burnt me. What did the market burn me for? Oh, owie, right? Owie, market burnt me. No, you burnt yourself. Because the laws of how markets work is that's what they do. That's the reason why if you want to get into something, you wait for this turning point here, you wait for this turning point here, and you wait for this turning point here. You don't wait for it to get up to here, get up to here, get up to here, right? So we never know exactly when that top is going to be, but we never want to be we just want to be getting in on the scoop. So right now, there's a real big, massive probability that this is going to turn down. And from that process, we're going to get the pullback. Now, I don't believe there's going to be a severe crash and so on and so forth. But there is going to be a pullback in gold. Gold is going to pull back, right? It's not just going to keep going up and 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 just never pull back ever. And to 2,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, no pullback. No, right? No. There's going to be, traders, there's going to be a pullback soon, right? So be smart about the way that you're trading. Now, investing is different. Investing in gold, see, this is where some of you guys, because you're trading with this small $200 trading account, you don't think about the big picture as well too, is that the whole thing about your trading, investing is all about buying now and not caring. Like if you bought it now and 5 years time frame it's worth 5,000, would you give a shit whether you bought it at 1,900 or 1,800? No, right? That's the whole purpose of investing. Trading is obviously different there. So that's actually what's happening with the good old gold market. Let's go have a look at silver here for a bit. Silver itself, like, oh, silver's actually rolling, sort of flattening out here. The big thing with silver is that this is what I'm seeing with silver. We're probably going to get one more last push to really, really, really fake a lot of people out. The reason why I say that is this, is that we're in this channel through here, right? We're in this big channel, but there's probably going to be there's a massive area of there's been a lot of work that's been done around this area here. So this is what's probably going to happen with silver. Silver's probably going to give you a false breakout, give you false hope, and then it's probably going to reverse on your ass and drop, right? So we're probably going to do something like this. We're probably going to get a big up bar like that. Away we go. That may even give us a good big up bar on gold as well too. But that's probably going to be the end of that move and not the start of the move. And the market does this. The market sucks you in big time, right? So the market will go up and up and up and up like this, up. And then it'll pull back a little bit. And then it breaks out again. And then it does that on you. It's like false breakout. Why? Because they had a very big up move, little pullback, and away we go again. Very big up move, little pullback, and then away we go again. But the way we go again is very short-lived. It's a sucker rally. So it may do that, and it may even go up to 26, but then we're probably going to get something like that and get the overall up, down, and then back up again, right? So we're probably going to see a false breakout here, and then it's false breakout, sucker rally, then they're probably going to dump it on your ass. Because I know a lot of the traders are probably looking at this trend line the same as I am right now. A lot of the machines are as well too. And this is what they're going to do, looking at this market through here. So any push to the upside, guys, is probably going to be short-lived when it comes to that as well too. Let's go have a good look at the the S&P 500 here. And the S&P 500 is like, oh, here we go, right? Where's this going to break out? We've got a low, we've got a higher low, we've got a low, we've got a lower high. We're squeezing up. When this market breaks out of this pattern through here, it is going to be, it's probably going to be pretty big. Now, again, for me, I'm thinking it's going to go down, but my thinking means nothing in the markets. This could be easily be a little higher low, and then away we go. But I wouldn't be too surprised to actually see this thing roll over here and then continue this downside movement from here when it comes to the good old S&P 500. And last off the list, guys, when it comes to the mining sector, the big thing for the mining sector as well too, this is one thing that I'm noticing as well too in the mining sector, is that we are definitely getting to an area or point, should I say. Let me go to the weekly charts. This is the GDXJ anyway, where we actually definitely had a lot of area through there. There possibly is something going on up through. There's a lot of work that's been done around this area here as well, like through there, right? See that through there? See that area through there? And plus also we're running into the area where the resistance is. So we have moved down, a move back up. So once again, just like the silver market, if we do get an up move from here, it's probably going to be that last final hooray before they do this, and then they do that on you, and the market's then probably going to. So I'm seeing a lot of setups, and I've seen this thing so many times over the last, because I've been trading, guys, now. I've been trading now for almost 19 years, trading the markets. And over my last 19 years of trading the markets, I've seen these type of setups where they have an up move, they give you one more last push to get it's what I call a sucker rally in the markets. They suck people in with the false breakout of those moves, especially if it's been going up for quite some time. And then what happens is when they suck you, it gives you the false breakout. It sucks most amateur traders in because they don't understand, like just what I just mentioned there a minute ago, which like, like markets pull back and so on and so forth. And then from this here, we're probably going to get a very big sucker rally. False breakout, and then we're probably going to get and then probably that's probably going to false breakout, sucker rally, and then also reversal.